Hello YouTube, we're back on the scene. It's Testcycle number 62. This was a new location to the Portbury bird hide, which we're right outside of now. And there in the distance you can see Portishead coast. There's the lights lit up and there's a village along the seafront bit there. Let's see what we can do with the zoom. Yeah, it's the old Moonus. Okay, let's go into the bird hide. Here we are. Got a torch over there in the corner. Got the two radios. Crankshen TG UV2 and the Balfeng UVB5. Okay, let's give a call. M6 STL 2E1 DXY, you buy? Okay, see what we can get from outside. See what we get from outside, I think. Might be alright.
It'd be a lot more helpful if I turn the volume up, wouldn't it? 2E1 DXY.
Yeah, 2E1 DXY from M6 STL. We're currently in the bird hide, the Portbury bird hide there. We got it on record. We're using the Crankshen TG UV2 from inside. And we're videoing it through the Balfeng. Yeah, we're on the scene, confirm.
Is the Balfeng battery gone, is it?
No, we just got it on record for the YouTube video. We did a little video of the outside of the hide, looking over towards the Portbury seafront. Decided to come into the hide and show it off a bit. So I'll quickly do this over with you there, bud, and then do a little torch guide of the inside of this place, and then we'll get back to you in the next couple of minutes, Roger.
Yeah, the audio is definitely lower on that handheld, definitely. I can hear what you're saying clearly and everything, but I've got to put the volume up to about 12 o'clock. Earlier on it was about 8 or 9, so that gives you an indication of audio level on the radio, right? But yeah, it's a lot better signal than the. I think it was a free one at that position and at that location kind of thing, wasn't it? Is that right?
Yeah, Mike 6 STL returning 2E1 DXY. QSO on that, yep, outside the actual bird hide. The final checkpoint, the bird hide, it was a signal 3 on UHF and a signal 9, I think you said, on VHF. Which is brilliant, just to know really that the old black spots were being caused by UHF itself. So that was good that VHF's as strong as it is, really, from it's about 2.5 miles away with plenty of obstructions. Yeah, so that's all good stuff, isn't it? It's been a good one. What I'll do, I'll stop the record now and then go on to the next section of the record. I'll get back to you in the next 2 minutes, Roger.
Okay, standing by.
Many thanks. That would just sort of like be a good one to review later as well there on the older YouTube. Okay, M6 STL going on standby with 2E1 DXY. Okay, let's try to steam that up a bit, don't I? Anyway, let's show you a little tour of this place. Cool, I could have steam on that. Okay. It's the old bird hide, look. Yeah, it's pretty mad in there. quite big. Yeah, quite a big little place. Nicely built. Yeah, very nice. I think the bench is going all the way down there. And the other end is the radios. Anyway, let's get back on the radio and start heading back to headquarters now. It's getting pretty late. But yeah, it's been a good one in there. I've been there for about 2 years. Great place to come if you ever need solitude, I guarantee you that. Okay, we'll catch you shortly. Okay, here we are back on the scene. Started the distribution. On our way back home from Testcycle number 62. We've got to go that way there. About 2 miles from home. That's the start of the old compound. Not a very good zoom there. Let's continue on. Anyway, we'll catch up with you shortly, hopefully for a final segment of the video. Back with you shortly. Okay, we're back on the scene on our way back still. Not far from the M5 bridge now. Got Stony Bridge out there, but you can't see it really. And the lights in the distance is the Avonmouth Bridge. We're still on the radio, on our way back home, and now on VHF. 145.575, the test is complete. It went pretty good, as you see on the video on the bird hide. It was a nice little enclosure. A bit spooky for my liking tonight, to be honest, if I'm honest. Like, I was on my own and way out in the distance from any sort of help, so I was keeping my wits about me. Anyway, we're still proceeding. The old Quang Shen on the way back there. Okay. We're just underneath the railway bridge there. Underneath the railway bridge. Railway, yeah, Stony Bridge there, that's it. We've got a little camera rolling right now. Just the lights all we've got at the moment. So we'll see. Yep. Back to there. M6 STL, not far from the sheep field.
Yeah, right then to scale now, no problem. 2E1DXY. M6 STL straight mobile. Yeah. Yeah. How many bars have you got left on that radio now then?
Check the bars. Yeah, that's a 2 out of 3, Roger. That's a 2 out of 3, over.
Yeah, that's alright. If you're near the surfaces, should last another half hour.
Yeah, we're pretty much by the end of the bridge now. Just passing. Is it the sheep field? Yeah, just coming up onto the sheep field. It's near enough by the red gate up there, over.
Roger, noted.
There we are, there's the end of the M5 bridge there in the distance. Okay, M6 STL, back to you there, 2E1DXY. It's passing the sheep field. Still on record. Yeah, it's been a good one tonight. I didn't do too badly there on foot. Yeah, not bad at all. Legs ain't like jelly or nothing, so But it is a cold one. It's got to be at least 5 degrees. That sounds crazy, doesn't it, me? But admit that, innit? Me saying 5 degrees is cold when I've done -11 on certain tests. I'd never do that now. Those days are long gone.
Well, yeah, that's right. I used to get worried about you when you used to work in those sort of temperatures because, well, either on foot or on a bike or whatever, you know what I mean? You hit a bit of black ice or whatever, put a brake on, come off your bike, fall down the embankment or twist your ankle or knock yourself out or whatever. I wouldn't know what was going on. Like, I'd be calling and obviously you wouldn't reply and everything, and then you see it on the news the next day that you just rush to hospital, or even worse than that, like passed away or something ridiculous. Like, oh no, it's not worth it, Arch. So it's like never like when you say it's raining and the radio wet. So fair play to you, like, you know what I mean? Have a bit of the old common sense there. Instead of taking a radio out in a plastic bag and loads of clothing on and completely drenched, getting all cold, completely wet. What for, really? Like, just play a tape recorder back for the next 2 or 3 hours listening to checkpoints.
Yeah, that's a bit confirmed there. But exactly, I mean, I put it down to the passion, basically. I mean, I'm beyond my peak now with this Testcycle lark, like, I'm not sort of spring chicken anymore, and early on that's what it was about, say between Testcycle 1 and 30 it was about proving stuff to myself, proving stamina, getting on that bike and doing it fast, and not letting things stop me like rain and danger. It all used to mean something, sort of prove it to myself, along with doing the test cycles as well, like, all in one. And in that respect, I rank right up there. There's no doubt about it, Looking back, I mean, there's not many people that want to get out of a chilled situation at 1, 2 in the morning and do what I used to do, like, -10 and other silly risks, like, no lights on the bike and getting stopped by the police and still carrying on and not ever getting put off by it. But now it's all like, yeah, it's like you said, it is nice and calm now, and I only want to do things on a nice level when it's good weather and the right mood, etc, etc. But a bike is a must, like, a serious must.
Yeah, well, that's it. I mean, you're getting older now. I'm 48 now, like, so a few years back, there's a geocache which I think it's called Jetsam or something, or whatever, I can't remember. Anyway, it was a ridiculous one. You could approach it, I think it's during the spring tides and whatever, and when I looked into it, I thought that's just completely bizarre to do that, right? You had to walk across the mud flaps or something or other, and it's like, no, I'm going to delete that one from the list, and I'm not even going to think about it because it's stupid, like. But going back 5 or 6 years, I would have been like, oh, I wonder if I can do that one. It'd be an achievement and be all headstrong and everything, you know what I mean? And I don't know. I done one the other day. What's it called? Put that light out. Maybe I don't know. No light or whatever. I didn't think about it properly. Quite a dangerous one. Potentially dangerous. The ones I don't become, that will see you. I think I've been Iron Bridge or whatever.
Okay, we'll stop the recording there, and we'll get back to you shortly for the final video of the night. Final segment, okay? M6STL, going clear on the video there. Back with you shortly. Okay, here we are. This is the final video now of tonight's Testcycle number 62. We're about 0.5 miles away, half a mile away from home, and we're going to say our finals now. on the video and go QRT. Yeah, roger mate, we can't talk too long because we're on this very exposed space there. We don't too many get run over by a cyclist there, but we just announced that we did our last video there, so we're on video now there. This is our final video. It's been a good one there. Back to you there from M6 STL.
Okay, to E1DXY returning to M6 STL straight mobile. Portable, pedestrian. Oh right, okay. Or whatever they call it nowadays. They changed it a few times, didn't they?
Okay, this is M6 STL going clear of the video.
Once upon a time, if you was
73's all, and thanks for watching. It's been another good one. We go.
They said, oh no, you've got to be mobile. They got rid of the P suffix.